Okay, so we have a customer, working customer. Um, that's the phone. You can see right there. So that's the phone. I don't know. There's the phone. So the problem with this is that you can see from the meter if I plug in this phone, it's charging, but no full current, right? So we have it charging, but the current right there. You can see it's right here, there, right there. It's not full. So it's just doing like 0 point, which is 0.0 some 00. It's really poor, but this one is actually showing charging. So let's get to it. Basically, first of all, I'll suspect the charging port. So let's get to test, or let's get to change the charging port. Then we can see if that fixes the problem. Okay, and there was a spike. I saw that spike. Not only you saw it, I did see a spike in the voltage level, in the current level. So maybe basically charging ports. Okay, let's just go for a charging port change. Let me take it to my microscope. Microscope. So let's go to the microscope. Okay. Okay. Let's first of all let me just quickly get this phone open. I don't have my table cam for now. So I'll just trust me. I'm just opening that. Okay. So phone is open. Oh, this is pretty good. This looks good. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So trust me, I'm losing the phone. I'm not doing any other thing than just unscrew all the screws on the phone. And I'd love to save the warranty stickers if I can. That's all. Just for fun. Just see. Okay, so take this out. Take out the. So that's it. As the phone opens, now take out the charging ports. Right there. I have the charging ports.
Can I use this thing?
Pause. Do you want me to kill you? How do you want me to kill you?
No, no, you're trying to that. I can't see
You can use it. You can use it. You can use it. I'm recording, just come out. So, looking at this charging port. There you see, let's stay inside. So, notwithstanding, I've got to change it. So, first, blood everywhere with soda. This is it. Well, this is soda. Follow the light is soda. Follow the back light is soda. Just using the maintain temperature. So, I use my sodium iron to take it off. I usually, yeah, that's it. Let's box it up and as a week. This one. How is the week? How is the sojourn week? Don't worry. Don't worry, I'm saying. This big one, you don't use it again. Hmm? Collect now, keep it that side. I don't use it for anything. Take. So, let's rig this off. Make the hose. Okay. I'm folding them up. So they're taking more. Fold them up and just split it off. So, there we go. So after that, just a little green.
I never worked with telephone.
I was just trying to make a video on it. So setting up. Okay. So what's next? Get the charging port and solder to it. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'll go on that. So that's the exact charging port. Right there. Position it in place and let's get to hold it down with just one anchor gradually. Okay, for a second one, this side and the final anchor. Then let's focus and go for the pins. So here we go for the pins. First pin, second pin. Okay. Let's put it. Okay. Let's get more frogs there. Okay, so that one goes. And I have it. That's it. Okay. And I just like doing this so the charging port doesn't come out. Who's mine? Yeah, please. Okay. Just clean, 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 clean. Okay. So let's test and see if that fixes issue. Okay, so what's next is to fixing the charging port. Yeah, it goes this way. Fixing on the charging port, and let's see. So here it goes. Plug it in. Charge 1.4 amps. Yeah, charger. Okay, so that's going to be all. Just a short video, just to show diagnosis of charging port. One of the most popular issues